Hey, I'm Shan Sally. I remember like it was yesterday, suffering from debilitating panic attacks. I used to drive around with brown paper bags in the passenger seat in case I hyperventilated. I gained nearly 50 pounds after having 2 kids and being so disconnected from my body. I was frustrated and discouraged my body wouldn't respond the way it once did. I want to share with you my journey of going from living in fear and anxiety in an overweight body to a healthy and radiant lifestyle that I have now. I know that if I can do it, you can too. I want to share with you the ancient wisdom from my heritage that women and men have applied for centuries for health, vitality, beauty, and inner peace. Healthy eating from this vantage point is all-inclusive and never limiting. There are no fads to follow or calories to count. We rely on nature to lead the way through our senses of touch, taste, smell, and sight to bring us closer to the healthy body that's already within. Healthy eating is so much more than the food you eat. It's about joy, sensuality, connection with those you love, and the single most important person you must learn to honor and unconditionally caretake. And that person is you. Reclaim your health. Reclaim yourself. It's you who you've been waiting for.